purpose of this video is to show you how to create PDFs out of paper copies that you have using your iPad or your iPhone and the Notes app. The first thing that you're going to do is open up the Notes app, which looks exactly like this on your iPad or your iPhone. Once you open up the Notes app, you're going to want to create a new note using this icon here, and you'll see that there is a plus button in the bottom right-hand corner. You're going to click on that plus button, and when you do, these options should pop up for you, and you want to use the Scan Documents button. When you click on that, a camera roll is going to appear. This is where you are going to place each document individually. You'll notice that your document will be highlighted yellow, and these lines can always be adjusted later on. Once you take a picture using the camera roll button, each of your documents will show up here on the bottom of the screen. You can upload up to 24 documents at a time, and after each one it'll ask you to click the save button, at the very end it will ask you to click the save button. Once I am done clicking the camera roll button for one of my documents, this is where I can adjust the margins using these small circles here. If you would like, you can keep scan, or in the bottom left-hand corner, you will notice there is a retake button here as well. This would be especially helpful if your image turned out blurry. Once I am done again uploading all of my images, I can then click the save button, which will tell me how many documents that I have. Again, you can upload up to 24 pictures for one PDF file, although having 24 pictures will take a bit longer than having, let's say, 3 or 4 pictures. Once I am all done and I've clicked the save button, I then can go to the export button at the top of my document and click on the drive icon. Once I have selected the drive icon, this screen should appear in which you can name your document, which I would highly suggest for the purposes of organization, in addition to coming up with a folder that you would like to place this PDF in. Once you've done those two things, you can click the upload button, and then you can go back and check that document has uploaded successfully in your Google Drive. Again, the purpose of this video is to show you how to create PDFs from paper copies using your iPhone or your iPad